What's up everybody, C Advocate here, and you see what it is today. It's the Rookie Explosion Box Limited Batch Volume 5 by Filmington. One of my favorite times of the month right here. I love the Rookie Explosion Box, going through the older packs, getting some of the ones that I didn't get to get because I was out of the hobby for a little while, and just the search for the rookies is awesome. Alright, we're going to look at the sheet real quick. Just going to go down the packs. Pause that if you want to. We got 83 Fleer, 87 Donruss, 93 Tops, 03 Bowman, 11 Heritage Minor, 13 Tops Update, 17 Chrome, 17 Update, 18 Chrome Retail, 18 Tops Update, and 19 Bowman. Alright, let's get our packs out. Alright, we go in chronological order. I can't even say the word today. Let's start with 83 Fleer, which is Gwynn, Sandberg, and Boggs. We got the Mets sticker. Jason Thompson, Ron Washington, Jim Slayton, Dennis Lamb, Harold Baines, Gary Carter, Larry Gura, Mike Scott, Don Ace, Rob Wilfong, Bob Hooton, John Walkenfuss, Larry Milbourne, Von Hayes, and Dale Barrow. None of the big rookies, but still nice. And 87, we're looking for Maddox, McGuire's first Donruss, Bo Jackson's first Donruss, Barry Larkin, Will Clark, and Rafael Palmeiro. There's a bunch of them. Got the puzzle piece. We got Juan Castillo, Scott Garlitz, Scott Nielsen, Jamie Moyer, Ozzie Virgil, Casey Candell, Lee Smith, Carney Lansford, Ron Quinones, Ray Chadwick, Charlie Huff Diamond King, Frank Tanana, Andy Hawkins, BJ Surhoff rated rookie, John Tudor. Centering's way off on that though. Still, nice older rated rookie. Alright, 93 Tops, we're looking for Derek Jeter. Now, I've already seen, I think, one or two Jeters. I think it's one Jeter, and I saw a Jeter Gold pool already. That was pretty awesome. I got Barry Larkin, Dennis Cook, Darren Dalton, Spike Owen, Pete Harnish, Derek May is our gold, Tim Burke, Tim Wakefield, Eck, Franklin Stubb, Mark McLemore, Dick Schofield, Lloyd McClendon, Steve Buechele, and Jose Guzman. So still no. And now we're going to, this is the 2003 Bowman. Draft picks and prospects, and here you're looking for Robinson Cano, we got Dennis Dove, J.J. Hardy, Adam Miller, David Kelton, Anthony Webster's our gold one. The thicker one. Josh Barfield and Dustin McGowan. 11 Topps Heritage Minors next, and that's Trout, Harper, Yelich, Arenado, Machado, Autos of Harper, Arenado, and Chris Davis. We got Yorman Rodriguez, Ryan Flaherty, Justin Wilson, Jed Garreco, Brian Cabanos Galvez, Julio Rodriguez, got Nate Baker, Neil Ramirez, and a Gary Sanchez. Still, that's a good pack, Gary. Alright, and this is the 13 Tops update with Yelich, Arenado, Rendon, Puig, Gregorius, Garrett Cole. Been quite a few good things pulled from what I've seen on this. That glare is bad. Give me just a second, guys. Alright, back. It's a little better, but still pretty bad. Travis Blackley, James Shields, Cody Allen rookie, Adam Jones All-Star. Ooh! We got the rookie debut of Puig Green. I don't think that's the numbered one, but still. No. It's nice. Nolan Ryan, Postseason Heroes. Carlos Martinez rookie. Jason Grilly, Cliff Lee, and Dominic Brown. Nice Puig hit. Go back through these in a little bit. Alright, 17 Chrome, Bellinger, Judge, Bregman, Benintendi, Machado. Autographs of them. Got Pujols, Sanchez Cup card. Aaron Judge, freshman flash rookie. Very nice. And a DeGrom. Alright, and 17 update. It's going to be pretty much the same. It's Bellinger, Chapman, Bregman, Benintendi, Judge, Moncada. And image variations of them. Which I don't know what the image variations are, so I'd have to look. Greg Holland, Lewis Brinson, Johan Camargo, Kenley Jansen, Josh Reddick, Ryan Healy, Engel and Garcia, Robbie Ray, Charlie Blackmon, and Zach Cozart. Then 18, I think everybody knows, you know, Shohei, Torres, Robles, Hoskins, Walker, Acuna, you know, all the ones everybody's been searching for the past year. Harper, Marquez, Fulmer, and DeJong. 18 Tops update, same thing. Lopez, Aroldis Chapman, Cabrera. We got a Kingery rookie debut. Brad Hand. We got a shiny Kishik. And that's Carlos Santana. We got an Adam Engel. Vasquez, and Matt Adams. Alright, 19 Bowman. We're looking for the Wonder, Joey Barr, Luciano, Rodriguez. Plus, any of these guys could have a breakout somewhere soon, you know. Ramirez, Real Muto, Chapman, Haniger. That's the throwback. Always one sticking to that. And that's Francisco Lindor. Gritterall. Alex Fado. Peter Alonso. Chrome. That's a nice one. Matt Manning. and Jordan Adams. Alright, that's going to do it for my rookie explosion box. Not bad overall. Got quite a few rookies in here. I'll have to go through and sort it out and get them sleeved up and stuff, and I'll do that after this. And we'll see y'all next time.